what's important on the restorative end is it actually got simpler to restore, and especially and with the BLX, what's I find amazing is it's one platform, restorative platform. So if my surgeon decides last minute we're going to do a switch, a diameter switch on implant, I'm still using the same components, especially if we're talking about immediacy or immediate provisional. And this implant certainly aligns itself with options to do immediate provisionalization. Well, I might have my provisional prefabricated or my components pre-ordered, and I don't have to change them if we change the platform of the implant. So not only the flexibility in terms of keeping my practice running smooth, but it also responds to the biology. We see the intimacy of fit. We see the simplicity and the flexibility of prosthetic components. There's no limits to what I can do with this implant. BLX gives me the confidence to provide my patients the most current scientifically based solution, because it's based on what we know today in implant dentistry, but still maintain the prosthetic flexibility, whether you're in a digital workflow or an analog workflow, to maintain that prosthetic flexibility, but the confidence to know that I'm giving my patients something that is the leading cutting edge in implant dentistry today.